Good morning. This isn't even a theoretical demonstration. I've seen this happen on our broadcast. Power lines draped over cars. They're energized. People are panicking. They're not sure what to do. And it's all because of our ferocious monsoon winds, 60, 70, 80, 90 miles per hour, taking down hundreds of power poles every single year. So what do you do? We got some great answers for you from SRP. Maximus joining me this morning. Probably the coolest name out of anyone here. This is something we face every year, and it's a good tool for people to have in their toolkit when these storms eventually roll in.
Yes, that is very true. We want people to be aware of what happens when their vehicle may encounter a power line or they see down power lines, that basically they're not freaking out, but they actually know what they should be doing.
So Jeremy's over in the truck. We have the power pole down. Simulated lines are not hot lines. So what should people do if this does happen to them?
If this happens to them, the first thing to do is stay in their vehicle. If their vehicle's not on fire or there's no life-threatening situation, call 911. They'll call SRP. If you see people coming to rescue, help you out, tell them to stay back at least 100 feet. They can call 911 too also. Again, it will be routed to SRP. But if they, for some reason, they have to exit their vehicle, the first thing they do is open the door as much as they can, and then they turn about a 45-degree angle so they can get out of the vehicle. From there, they want to jump as far away from the vehicle as they possibly can, with both of their feet touching together as close as they can. And when you exit your vehicle, you don't want to touch anything metallic because your vehicle's part metal, part plastic, and the electricity can flow through the electrical parts. So the next thing to do is start shuffling heel to toe while you're dragging your feet, and you want to do that for about 30 feet. And what that does is create an equal potential, so there's very little chance of being electrocuted or hurt. And so it just keeps you at the same potential of what the voltage is, so like a bird on a wire.
By staying having those 2 feet planted on the ground, it eliminates all that electricity from making a circuit and then, frying you.
That is correct. And the cone here represents about 30 feet. It's quite a bit of distance, especially when you're shuffling, trying to get away from down power lines.
Yeah. You guys have seen this before happen in real life.
Yeah, this has happened before. It's very rare, but we want the public to be aware. The average person is not going to be able to see this in real life, but we want the very few that do have to encounter this know what to do in case it does happen.
Well, no one has ever said I'm too prepared, so good info to have.
That is very true.
All right. Thank you so much, Maximus. Super easy to remember, guys. Hopefully it doesn't happen to you. But I tell you, when those storms get rocking and rolling, they can do a whole lot of damage. And this is one of the threats you can face. But now you got that knowledge and you're ready to go. We just need some rain and some storms.
Yeah, thanks for the heads up. Because you always wonder, how far away do I have to be from these things? Who do I call? Things like that. So
thank you, Ian, helping us get ready.